Hi, it's Noe with WTI. If you're looking for a water shoe that can hold up to multiple types of outdoor activities, then you're gonna wanna check out this pair from Alibress. I got this pair in black for my husband, and let me tell you, they did not disappoint. We found that these water shoes were very easy to slip on, and we liked that it was a snug fit. We found that my husband could wear these all day long with no blisters. My husband said that they were very comfortable, they had great traction. We were able to take these even hiking, where these shoes were put through the ringer. They withstood river water, ocean water, and even mud. And my husband can happily say he did not slip. These were very easy to wash off and then air dry. We found that these shoes were very lightweight and flexible. The fabric was very breathable, and we felt that the sizing chart was true to size. So if you're looking for a pair of water shoes that can go from hiking to swimming in an instant, then we would highly recommend this pair from Alibress. And that's our point of view.